Determining the dissociation constant of N,2-acetamido, immunodiacetic acid monosodium, ADA, at different temperatures from 278.15 to 328.15 K. This important article is authored by the following scientists. The aim of the study is to know the dissociation constant of N,2-acetamido, immunodiacetic acid monosodium, ADA, at different temperatures. The acidic dissociation constant of N,2-acetamido, immunodiacetic acid monosodium, ADA, has been determined. At 12 temperatures from 278.15 to 328.15 K by electromotive force, EMF, measurements of hydrogen silver chloride cells without liquid junction. The commercial sample of ADA was obtained from Research Organics Incorporated. The analysis of the purified sample averaged 99.9%. At 298.15 K, the value of the dissociation constant, pK2, is 6.8416 plus or minus 0.0004. In response to the need for new physiological pH standards, buffer solutions of NaADA and its disodium salt, Na2ADA, would be useful for pH control in the biological region of pH 6.5 to 7.5. The pK2 values over the experimental temperature range are given as a function of the thermodynamic temperature, T, by the equation pK2 is equal to 2943.784 T, 47.0576 plus 7.7 to 703 ln T. At 298.15 K, standard thermodynamic quantities for the dissociation process have been derived from the temperature coefficients. Delta H degree is equal to 12,250 to J point mol 1, delta S degree is equal to minus 89.9 J point K 1 point mol 1, and delta Cp degree is equal to minus 148 J point K 1 point mol 1. The results are interpreted and compared with those of structurally related derivatives of glycine. It is concluded that the precise EMF method yields very stable, accurate, and reliable data with accuracy better than 0.04 mV in the entire temperature range. The buffer solution of NADA plus Na2ADA would be useful for the measurement of pH in biological specimens. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.